Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video on how to set up Metamask and also how to add the different blockchains to Metamask. So here you just want to go to Metamask download, Metamask IO right here. Okay, so you just click on install Metamask for Chrome. You can install it on Edge from here as well. That's compatible now. So you just open it up. You want to make sure you go to the right Metamask that says metamask.io and 10 million plus users. Now if there's a scam or something else put up on the web store, they can siphon your crypto, so make sure you are installing the correct one. So we're just going to add to Chrome, add extension. Dum, 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 dum. There it is right here. So all you do is click on it. Welcome to MetaMask. You want to get started. Now if you already have a recovery phrase and you're just adding your wallet back, you would use this, but we're going to do a new setup. So let's get set up, create a wallet, just say I agree, put in whatever password that you want. And there you go, secure your wallet, next, secret phrase, click here to reveal your phrase. These are your passphrases, these words that are right here. It'll be blurred out, but there are going to be 12 words here. So you want to write these down. It says it right here. You want to save them, write them down. Very important when you're dealing with these passphrases. This is how you always recover your crypto. And if anybody has these words, they have your crypto. So you do not want to keep this, say, online. You don't want to keep it on your computer connected to the web. Don't want to put it on cloud services. You don't want to like put it on a Word doc and then put that in the cloud type of thing. Very easy. That can get scammed. Then they have all your crypto. What I suggest doing is writing it down, keep it in a safe or a safe place in general. What I do is I also have multiple USB drives where I do have an Excel spreadsheet with all my different wallets and all my passwords, but I only plug it into my computer to access it when I need to and unplug it, and I don't leave it connected to the internet. So keep that in mind, very important. This is your password. You are your own bank with crypto wallets, so keep that in mind, very important. Next step, so it tells you them here. You just have to put them in order, so it's confirming that you wrote it down. And all you do is click them in order that you wrote them down with. There you go. Congratulations. All set up. Okay, that's just a little help thing. So there you are. There's your wallet. This is an Ethereum-based wallet. So if we want to add other blockchains, Fantom, Binance, Avalanche, etc., we're going to show you that next. But here is right here your wallet. And here's where you would switch from different blockchains. So let me now take you to chainlist.io or .org right here. Links will be in the description. All you do is you just type up here. You can get this manually and type in all the blockchains manually, but I like to go here because it tells you right here, mainnet, testnet. You always want the mainnets. Okay, so we're here at Binance Smart Chain, mainnet, connect to wallet. Next, connect. Now, because you're connected to your wallet, now you can add the different blockchains. So you're going to add, approve, and then switch to that network because you're currently on the Ethereum. Now you can see when you go up here, you have Binance, and you can switch back to Ethereum. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do it for a few other ones. You have Fantom, Fantom Opera, that's the main net, not the test net. Add to MetaMask, approve, switch to the network. There we are, we got Fantom. We want to do Avalanche, testnet, mainnet, add to MetaMask, approve, switch network, and now you see here you have several different blockchains. I'll make another video showing you how you will transfer and bridge different tokens to these different networks, and some other things in regards to swapping coins and stuff like that using MetaMask. So look for that, but that's it for this video. Catch you soon. Thanks.